Hello, this is Ryan Armitage, and I'll be going over my Session 8, the XML portion of this parallel project. So the first piece is that I created, I'm just going to go off of these that were the requirements. Create an XML, contains descriptions. So for my project, or for my website, I found it a little tough to try to get the 10 that we needed, but in my situation I used carpentry, contracting, the 5, along with multi-service to kind of describe the data I'll be using. But I also added these in here as different things that may happen between the customer and the service provider after the service request has been submitted. So that was service estimate, consultations, design layouts, improvement recommendations. I found it also a little tough. I wanted to have more than just 2 of the attributes here, but as you can see, I have home services as the outer root one, and then for each I have service, and then to keep it simple, I just did ID as 1 through 10, and then again below that I have the name, I have carpentry, and then everything below, and then I just included the price. Once I got down to multi-service, that's where it started to vary based upon the service or services that were needed. So along with that, we were required to create a DTD file. So I kept it simple. I tried to keep it the same as kind of what the book had, and then related to my other file names. So here I have the element, which is home services, and then we have a service or more than one service, and then for each one I had service, and then the 2 kind of, I guess, attributes are name and price. The name is going to have this type of data, price would have this type, the parsable data, and then home services, the ID would be required. Again, I tried to keep it close to the way the book had, if not almost exactly the way it was, just because I'm not unsure about this DTD portion. And then the next piece was, let me go back to the XML. So here, as you can see, I have the doc type that is then referencing this DTD file. Then the next thing was to do a CSS to display. So I kept it super simple for mine, and just to show that it could be styled. So here it is in Firefox. As you can see, I did little stuff, but just to kind of show that it could be styled. Yeah, I also did tested in Internet Explorer, did the same thing, as well as Chrome. So all 3 of those showed it as well. So that's it. Hopefully there aren't any crazy issues, but please let me know in the feedback. Thank you.